Hello students, welcome to the class on Entrepreneurship Management. My name is Rishi Chakraborty and I am Assistant Professor in the Department of Management at Assam Downtown University. In the introductory part of this presentation, we will be learning about characteristics of an entrepreneur. Not all entrepreneurs are successful and not all can be entrepreneurs. There has to be some characteristics, skills that separates one person from another, and those persons have the ability to create something new for themselves as well as contribute effectively for the development of the society. Such type of people are said to possess some unique traits or characteristics, as we normally call. And these characteristics enhances their entrepreneurial abilities to contribute effectively towards nation building. In my upcoming presentation, I will provide you with a list of those characteristics and also will explain to you all what makes an entrepreneur separate from other people. Thank you very much.